Might as well.
You're already nappy, you know.
We only 8 minutes on camera, so you better hurry up.
Come on, do it. Open the door real quick. We're gonna get some of these situations going on.
Are you serious? Yeah, go for it. Have you been back there? Well, hell no. Well, go back. Well, then you're going with me.
It's a small area. You just sit right there in the middle.
I'm fucking scared. Be careful.
Perfect. Just tap me on the shoulder if it gets too loud.
I'm just gonna jump. I'm just gonna jump forward.
Get that new hairdo.
Woo! It's fucking sexy. Okay. That's it. I'm done. I can't take no more.